this video, I'm going to talk about how can you block somebody in WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp, and after opening the WhatsApp, you will just simply have to select the profile of the person who you would like to block. Then after that, just simply select the chat with the person or directly go to the profile. Then tap to this three dot into the top right corner. Then you will get to see this option of block at the very last. Just simply tap to block, and then you can choose to report content which will include last 5 messages, and that will be forwarded to the WhatsApp support team. Then just simply tap to block option, and this way you can very easily block somebody in WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.